Hi, today I'm with me CAT S75 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on that device. So we should first launch the settings application and then scroll to security section, then scroll more down and tap to SIM card lock. After that, you'll see here lock SIM card switcher, so just to activate SIM pin of your SIM card, you should click on the switcher and enter the pin code. For example, I'll use the pin like from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and after that we could see that the SIM card lock successfully activated. So now the pin is enabled, so every time when you activate your device you should just enter the pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.